morning students, I'm your science teacher Faimana Ved. Let's begin our today's work. Unit 2, The Animal World, page 10 to 14. Difficult words. Students, I'm going to explain these words. Listen carefully. It is helpful for learning. Repeat after me. Okay? Number one. Zoology. Zoology means the study of animals. Means the study of animals. Zoo, L-O-G-Y, logy. Zoology. 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 Number two. Nutrients. Nutrients means a source of nourishment. A source of nourishment. N-U T-R-I, tree, E-N-T-S, ants. Nutrients. 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 Number three. Physical. Physical means relating to physics. Relating to physics. P-H-Y, phy, S-I-C-C-A-L, physical. 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 Number four. Surviving. Surviving means to remain alive. To remain alive. S-U-R, sir, V-I-V, vive, I-N-G, surviving. 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 Last number five. Throughout. Throughout means the whole time. The whole time. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, O-U-T, out. Throughout. Throughout. Okay, I'm going to read all these words. Repeat after me. Zoology. Zoology. Nutrients. Nutrients. Physical. Physical. Surviving. Surviving. Throughout. Throughout. Students, before reading, it is important to understand these two topics. 2.1, what is a life cycle? 2.2, growth or change. 2.3, changes in life. 2.4, a life cycle of a honeybee. First point, 2.1, what is a life cycle? Life cycle, the stages through which animal grow, change, reproduce and die. All animals and plants go through life cycles. In this diagram, to show the stages, which often include starting as a egg or seed, like birth, and then growing up and reproduce. During its life cycle, an organism goes through physical changes that allow it to reach adulthood and produce new organisms. Even when an animal dies, nutrients from its body go into the soil. These are used by plants and help to grow them. Other animals feed to these plants. In this way, even a dead animal can help the life cycles of other animals. 2.2 Grow or change. Every living thing grows bigger. Some animals look very similar throughout their lives, like elephant, dog, horse, hippo. We can say that they have grown, but their physical features have not changed very much.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about the Unit 2, The Animal World, on page 10. Let's start. Unit 2, The Animal World. The study of animals is called zoology. Let's begin our study of zoology with the life cycle of an animal. 2.1 What is a life cycle? A life cycle is all the changes that an animal goes through from birth to death. It is not only animals that have a life cycle. Every living thing has a life cycle. An animal's life cycle starts when it is born. The life cycle